Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out a ring light. This is pretty much a influencer's best friend. So let's check this light out and see what features it offers. Bluetooth remote control for your cell phone. So that works with Android or iOS. You got your mounting bracket right here. So nice. So for a cell phone, you got a tripod right in here as well. So they do provide you with the tripod, the light, the remote control, and a phone holder that looks like you could customize it for a GoPro as well. So it can hold a GoPro and other cameras. All right, so the tripod. Metal and plastic construct, so the legs are metal, that's a plus. Normally the metal is more durable than the plastic. It is fully adjustable, as you guys can see here. And also it does go up way higher than this. So if we open this up, you guys can see it goes out really high. And also this looks like it adjusts as well, so you can lift the center up high as well. So yeah, that's a nice tripod. Very nice, actually. We might use this for our portable system, because that's really nice. All right, the light itself comes nice and protected. So this is it. Very nice light. So yeah, I mean, you can just directly mount your camera GoPro right on here. You can directly mount this right on here like this. Underneath here, it's a threadable bottom, so you just thread this on just like this, so it would just thread right on. Let's go ahead and turn this on and see. So it is USB powered. You can use a power bank and any port that has a USB to power this. So like I said, we're going to use this as our portable system. So we're going to have this set up with a power bank. So plug this in here. On here you have your controls. So little control right here. So there you guys go. On off, you have brightness adjusting. So you can really adjust the brightness. You can also change the color temperature. So different color temperature. So as you guys can see it against my face here, how the color temperatures change. So, you know, from a distance, not sure if the camera's gonna pick that up, but yeah, it's nice. It's not blinding, which is really nice. So you can actually stare at the whole circle, even under the maximum brightness, and it doesn't blind you. So that's actually really nice. This is definitely going to work perfect for our portable system. So when we're outside and recording in other locations, this is going to work perfect, guys. I mean, we could just wear it as a necklace, you know. So guys, yeah, very nice. And guys, for the remote control, all you have to do is go under your Bluetooth settings on your phone, camera, whatever you're using, and then connect. So turn the Bluetooth remote on, find it under your Bluetooth settings, connect to it, and then, you know, you can control your phone just like that.